Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. 5 years after leaving the public service for breaching staff orders that prohibit government employees from participating in partisan politics, one medical doctor is sharing his experience. The doctor, who was also a part of the campaign team of Dr. R.J. Dixon, who was recently suspended by the Southern Regional Health Authority, is the latest to call for a revision of the policy. Jamaica Maitland explains.
I'm feeling the same anxiety. I'm going through these emotions all over again to see a son of the soil who wants to serve his country is being sidelined because he falls in the wrong category, in the wrong profession, so to speak.
It's an eerie case of deja vu for Dr. Desmond Brennan as he reflected on his own experience of being indicted by the Southern Regional Health Authority 5 years ago. Dr. Brennan was working at a public hospital in Clarendon when he contested the 2020 general election on a PNP ticket. He was unsuccessful and he was later suspended by the authority, a double blow for the junior doctor.
I was on leave when I was notified that I would be indicted for breaking the rules.
Dr. Brennan revealed that he'd been a civil servant since 1997 and didn't want to break his years of service. After being suspended, he says he was given an ultimatum.
They offered me my resignation, or if I take it further, I run the chance of losing my pension. And even though that is not even settled finally.
Now at his private practice, he says he doesn't regret his political aspirations. Dr. Desmond Brennan was also part of the political campaign team for Dr. R.J. Dixon, who ran as an MP candidate for North Central Clarendon. Dr. Dixon, who was also unsuccessful, has since been suspended by the authority. But why didn't Dr. Brennan or his team warn Dr. Dixon about the possible consequences?
We were concerned that they might take the same road that they did with me. We discussed how we would proceed should this happen again, and we are still on that path.
Okay, so you were prepared for, to some extent, what is happening now?
If I said no, I would be lying, but I expected something like this to happen.
According to Dr. Brennan, Dr. Dixon and his legal team are better prepared to challenge the authorities' interpretation of the regulations, despite precedents. Chief Justice Brian Sykes voided the election results in the Yallas division in St. Thomas in 2018 after the PNP brought a lawsuit against the JLP's Dean Jones. Jones won the seat in the November 2016 local government election while he was still employed in the public service, a clear breach of the staff orders. In 2023, however, the Barbados Supreme Court sided with a civil servant, ruling that it is unconstitutional to bar public sector workers from participating in partisan politics.
There has to be groundbreaking in every activity. There has to be a first. And this is the trailblazer. This is going to set the path for those who will come to follow. I see him coming out of this on top.
Dr. Brennan adds that the inconsistency in the staff orders for some public sector workers is questionable.
A teacher who influenced the young mind more than a teacher. You believe in your teacher. You trust your teacher. Yet a teacher can go into representational politics, goes on leave during the campaign, and if he loses, he comes back to his teaching profession. Why is it that a doctor who treats patients for illnesses can't do the same?
Dr. Desmond Brennan now joins the growing list of citizens encouraging the Parliament to review regulations to encourage more civil servants to participate in politics. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.